आज जो खुदा हैं दुनिया में लोग उन्हें मानते हैं। आपको क्या मालूम कि कितने बरसों के बाद क्या होने वाला है। हम यूरोप में देखते हैं तो चर्च खाली हैं। तो वक्त के साथ चीजें बदलती हैं। जहां तक इसका ताल्लुक है मजहबों का, हर मजहब आपसे एक चीज मांगता है, फेथ। ये तो बहुत ही अहमखाना बात होगी कि कोई आदमी कहे साहब अगर खुदा है तो मुझे दिखाइए। ये तो जाहिलाना बात हुई। मैंने तो नॉर्थ पोल नहीं देखा है, मगर मैं मानता हूँ कि नॉर्थ पोल है। मैं क्यों मानता हूँ? इसलिए कि अगर ये दुनिया राउंड है तो उसका कोई टॉप हो।
For the woman, the next verse, Surah Nisa chapter 24 verse 31, say to the believing woman, she should lower her gaze and guard her modesty and display not her beauty except what appears ordinary of. There are basically 6 criteria for hijab given in the Quran and the Hadith. Number 1 is the extent. For the man, it's from the navel to the knee. For the woman, the complete body should be covered. The only part that can be seen are the face and hands up to the wrist. Some say that even the face should be covered. The remaining 5 criteria are the same for the man and the woman. The clothes they wear should not be tight-fitting so that it reveals the figure. Number 3, it should not be translucent or transparent so that you can see through the clothes. Number 4, it should not be so glamorous so that it attracts the opposite sex. Number 5, it should not resemble that of the opposite sex. And number 6, it should not resemble that of the unbelievers. These are the 6 criteria.
सिंपल बात यह है कि मैं अगर ये यकीन कर लूँ कि एक ओमनीपोटेंट उसकी मसलहत है, ये जो बच्चे मर रहे हैं ये मसलहत है उसकी।
The brother asked a very good question. Peace be on you too, brother. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace, mercy and blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on you, brother. The brother asked a very good question, that even in the Quran it is mentioned that God exists everywhere. The Muslims believe God exists everywhere. Even the Hindus believe God exists everywhere. So what is the harm in worshipping an idol? God exists in the idol, God exists in human beings also. So what is the harm in worshipping an idol? Brother, nowhere in the Quran is it mentioned that God exists everywhere. Nowhere in the Quran is it mentioned God exists everywhere. I am aware there is a misconception amongst many Muslims who assume God exists everywhere. Nowhere does the Quran say they exist everywhere. What the Quran says, Allah's power exists everywhere. Allah has the power. The verse of the Quran, wherever you turn your face, you will see the wajh of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The face means the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah is capable of controlling anything and everything. But the statement He exists everywhere is not mentioned anywhere in the Quran, neither in any hadith. I am aware that there are certain Muslims out of misconception, they believe that. This is nowhere mentioned, but His power exists. Power exists.